Welcome to Currency Accounts, where I cover all things money. So this is a side hustle idea video, and this is a pretty interesting one here. 44-year-old's garage side hustle brings in $148,000 a year. So this lady here, what she's doing, believe it or not, is selling plants. You heard that right, plants. She turned her, I guess, love for plants into $148,000 a year business. Pettigrew started buying plants and redecorating her house in 2022. So with no experience, turned her love for plants into $148,000 a year side job, side business. And the crazy part about this is she sources her plants from a nursery, meaning she goes down to her local nursery and just buys plants. Not wholesale, just buys plants from her nursery and then resells them on this marketplace called Palm Street. That kind of makes me want to go down to my local nursery and start buying a bunch of plants up right now. So the way Palm Street works is kind of like Whatnot, where you go on with your product and you live stream and sell. That's what she's doing here, selling plants from her garage on Palm Street. She joined the platform in June of 2023 and brought in nearly $148,000 of revenue in 1 year. And the crazy part about this is that this is not her only income. She's a full-time IT analyst. So she's making her income from her side hustle, making $148,000 a year, and then whatever she makes from her IT analyst job. Plus, the kicker is crazy here is that she also owns a auto body shop or a mechanic shop with her husband. So business owner, side hustle, and full-time job. If you're like me and sometimes you're like, I'm too busy, I can't do it, or I don't want to start, this person here has 3 streams of income, 4 more to hit that millionaire status, because the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. So she says the plant business, the body shop or the auto shop, the mechanic shop, and her IT job are all remote jobs. She didn't have to go rent a space, didn't have to go open a brick and mortar. Everything she says is remote, done from their house. And I didn't even mention this here. The 44-year-old is also a paid consultant on the platform now and helps train new sellers. Wow. So on top of those other streams of income, well, now she's at four streams of income. So that makes her 3 away from that millionaire spot, right? Auto body shop, side hustle, IT specialist or analyst, and paid consultant on Palm Street. From what I'm reading, this Palm Street is a marketplace for palms, crystals, or for plants, excuse me, not palms, plants, crystals, and home decor. And it just goes to show you there's just so many platforms out there. I mean, it's wide open for what you can do and how you can make money, because whatever you're trying to sell, it's out there. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. It's out there. It's not like the 1990s. It's not even like the 2000s where you have to know somebody to get in. You have to have all this money to start a business. No, you can start right now. This person is just proof of that. Don't miss the ultimate guide to earning passive income. Let's check it out real quick. Not off to a good start. Passive income course. I knew it. So what you'll learn, what you'll get: 90 minutes of instructional video content broken down into digestible lessons. I ain't doing all that. Let's go back over here. Who's this guy? 5 clever ways to pay off your credit card debt. Did this guy just pay off all his debt? Now he's balling. The new suit. I don't get what this picture is. All right. How this 17-year-old Amazon side hustle brings in $409,000 a year. Oh, we have to check that one out. Next video. Thanks for watching.